Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exciting review for you as we dive into Samsung's latest budget-friendly 5G smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. If you're looking for a phone that combines 5G connectivity, a stunning display, and a powerful camera setup, all at an affordable price, then you won't want to miss this. Stay tuned as we break down every feature, from its design to performance and battery life. Let's get started. 1. Design and build quality. The Galaxy A15 5G carries forward the design language of Samsung's A series, featuring a clean and modern look with a matte plastic back. The plastic build is typical of this price range, but Samsung has done well to ensure the device feels sturdy and premium for the price. Built despite the plastic back, the A15 5G feels well built, with a solid frame that provides a sense of durability. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods, which is an advantage for users who prioritize ease of use. Color options. Samsung is expected to offer the A15 5G in multiple colors, catering to users who like customization and style. The phone retains a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, a standard feature in budget phones that offers quick and reliable unlocking. 2. Display. One of the highlights of the Galaxy A15 5G is its large 6.6-inch PLS LCD display, which offers full HD resolution. While it doesn't have the vibrant AMOLED panels seen in Samsung's higher-end models, the PLS LCD screen provides good brightness and decent color reproduction, making it a solid option for daily use. Resolution 1080 x 2400 pixels. Refresh rate. Although not confirmed, we expect a 90 Hz refresh rate, given that its predecessor A14 had this feature. The higher refresh rate ensures smoother scrolling and gaming experiences, something that's becoming a must-have even in budget phones. Outdoor visibility. The screen performs well in outdoor conditions, with sufficient brightness levels to ensure legibility under direct sunlight, which is crucial for people who frequently use their phones outdoors. 3. Performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset expected, the Galaxy A15 5G is equipped to handle most daily tasks efficiently. While it may not compete with higher-end phones in terms of raw power, the Dimensity 700 is a reliable mid-range processor that offers solid performance and 5G connectivity. Chipset. MediaTek Dimensity 707NM. This chipset is known for providing a good balance between power efficiency and performance. The 7nm architecture ensures that it handles multitasking, social media, and light gaming without any significant lag. RAM storage. Expected configurations of 4GB 6GB RAM with 128GB of internal storage. There's also likely to be a microSD card slot for expandable storage, which is great for users who need additional space for media and apps. Operating system. The device will likely ship with Android 14 paired with One UI 6, providing a smooth and customizable user experience. One UI is known for its user-friendly interface, and even though it's toned down for budget models, it still offers a clean and responsive experience. 4. Camera. Samsung has consistently improved the camera quality of its mid-range devices, and the Galaxy A15 5G follows suit. It features a triple camera setup at the rear, with a primary sensor that's expected to be around 50 megapixel, similar to other models in the A series. Main camera. 50 megapixel f/1.8. The main sensor delivers bright, detailed images in good lighting conditions, offering great color reproduction and clarity for a budget device. Samsung's image processing software ensures that photos taken with the A15 5G look vibrant, even if the hardware isn't flagship grade. Ultra-wide camera. 5 megapixel. This sensor lets users capture broader scenes, though it won't deliver the same level of detail as the primary sensor. Still, it's a useful addition for group shots or landscapes. Macro camera. 2 megapixel. The macro camera is more of a gimmick, producing average close-up shots with limited sharpness. It's a fun feature to play with, but don't expect professional-grade results from it. Selfie camera. The front camera is expected to be around 13 megapixel, which is decent for selfies and video calls, but don't expect it to outperform higher-end phones. 5. Battery life. The 5000 mAh battery in the Galaxy A15 5G ensures long-lasting performance, allowing users to go through a full day of usage without worrying about charging. Charging speed. It's likely to support 15-watt fast charging, which is standard in this price range. While it's not the fastest charging technology out there, it's adequate for budget-conscious users. A battery performance. With the efficient Dimensity 700 processor and a decent battery capacity, users can expect more than a day of moderate use, including social media, browsing, and video playback. However, heavy gaming and extended use of 5G will deplete the battery faster. 6. Connectivity. One of the main selling points of the Galaxy A15 5G is, of course, 5G connectivity. As more regions in Pakistan are adopting 5G networks, this feature ensures that the phone remains future-proof for faster data speeds and improved connectivity. 5G supports multiple 5G bands, ensuring compatibility with upcoming networks in Pakistan. Other connectivity. The phone will also feature Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB Type-C for charging and data transfer. 7. Audio. The phone is expected to retain a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is great news for those who still prefer wired earphones. The speaker quality is decent, providing clear audio for calls and media consumption, though it won't be as loud or bass-heavy as higher-end devices. 8. Pricing and availability. Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is expected to be priced between PKR 38,000 to PKR 40,000, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users looking for 5G connectivity. It competes with devices like the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 5G and Realme 10 Pro in this segment. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G offers excellent value for money, especially for users who want to enjoy 5G speeds, a large and vibrant display, and a reliable camera setup. While it doesn't pack the power of a flagship, it's more than capable of handling everyday tasks with ease. For users looking for a budget-friendly device in 2024 that's future-proof with 5G capabilities, the Galaxy A15 5G is a great option. Pros. Affordable 5G smartphone, large, vibrant display with smooth performance, solid battery life, clean and user-friendly One UI. Cons. Plastic build, which may not feel as premium. Average macro and ultra-wide camera performance. Slow charging at 15 watt. This phone is ideal for users who want to experience 5G at an affordable price while still getting a reliable camera and solid battery performance. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Overall, it's an impressive offering for the price, packed with useful features that make it a great choice for those on a budget. Whether you're in it for the 5G connectivity, decent camera setup, or a solid battery life, the Galaxy A15 5G checks a lot of boxes. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and comment below if you have any questions about the phone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.